Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. Today, we're going to explore the ABCs of artificial intelligence. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple, clear, and practical. So by the end, you'll have a solid grasp of what AI really is and how it works and why it matters. A is for artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when machines are designed to think or make decisions in ways that resemble human intelligence. You've already seen AI in action. Voice assistants like Siri or Alexa answering your questions, recommendation systems suggesting movies on Netflix or products on Amazon, and chatbots helping you with customer service. Now, there are two main types of AI. One is narrow AI, focused on specific tasks like recognizing faces or translating languages. Then general AI, the idea of machines with human like intelligence across any task. This one is still theoretical. We're not there yet, but it's the big dream. Then B is for building blocks. So, how does AI actually work? Let's break it down into building blocks. So, data. This is like the flow. Without examples, AI has nothing to learn from. Then, algorithms. Think of these as recipes. These are instructions that tell the AI how to learn. Then, machine learning. This is how AI improves its experience, just like a child learning from practice. Now, here's a simple example. Imagine teaching a kid to recognize cats. You show them lots of pictures saying this is a cat, and eventually they get better at spotting cats on their own. It's the AI is the similar way. And then we have neural networks, inspired by the human brain. They're like digital neurons stacked in layers, helping AI recognize patterns in voices, images, and even complex data. C is for challenges and considerations. So let's go into some common AI errors. AI isn't perfect. Here are some common mistakes it makes. First one, bias in data. If you only teach a child about white cats, they might assume all cats are white. AI can make similar mistakes if trained on biased data. Then, overfitting. It's like a student memorizing every answer in a practice test, but fails the real exam. AI sometimes memorizes instead of true learning. Miscalculation. A child might call wolf a dog because they look alike. AI can confuse things that share features. Then, lack of context. If you say bank, a child might think of a river bank instead of a money bank. AI struggles with context too. Lastly, data quality errors. It's like garbage in and garbage out. If you feed AI messy or wrong data, it will produce messy or wrong results. Now let's go to ethical concerns. Beyond these errors, there are ethical issues we need to consider, like privacy. Imagine a health app collecting sensitive medical data without clear consent. If that data leaks, it's like someone secretly reading your diary. Then, fairness. A hiring algorithm might favor male candidates because it was trained mostly on resumes from men. That's unfair. It's like a teacher grading certain students more kindly. Lastly, transparency. If a bank denies your loan using AI but do not explain you why, you're left in the dark. It's like being told you failed the test but never showed your answers. Then let's move to the future outlook. So, in the field of healthcare, imagine a doctor looking at hundreds of patient scans every day. AI can act like an extra set of eyes, spotting tiny signs of cancer or heart diseases that a human might miss. For example, some hospitals already use AI to detect early stage breast cancer most accurately. Then let's step into the education field. Think of a classroom where every student learns at their own pace. AI powered platforms can adjust lessons, speeding up for the learners, slowing down for those who need more practice. It's like having a personal tutor for each student. Then, environment. AI can help us fight climate change by predicting extreme weather patterns or optimizing energy use. For instance, smart grids powered by AI can reduce electricity waste by automatically balancing supply and demand. Then, workplace. In offices, AI can take over repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings or sorting emails. That frees people up to focus on creative projects, problem solving, or big picture strategies, the parts of work that humans do the best. Then, lastly, transportation. Self driving cars are a big example. They're designed to reduce accidents caused by human error and make traffic flow more efficient. Imagine calling a car that drives itself to pick you up. That's the kind of future AI is steering us toward. Now, let's take a step back and see how AI spending is spread across the world. Different regions are investing at different levels, and this chart gives us a clear picture of where the momentum really is. The Americans, with a 60%. This is the largest share. The US and Canada dominate AI investment because of their strong tech ecosystems. Big companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and a huge startup scene. Most of the world's venture capitals for AI flows through Silicon Valley and other US hubs. Then the EMEA, Europe, Middle East, and Africa, with a 23%. Europe is investing heavily in AI, especially in areas like healthcare, manufacturing, and ethical frameworks. Countries like Germany, the US, and France lead here. The Middle East is also growing, with small city projects in places like Dubai, while Africa is beginning to adopt AI in agriculture and fintech. Then APG, Asia Pacific and Japan, with a 17%. Asia Pacific is a rising player. Japan, China, South Korea, and India are investing in AI for robotics, education, and large scale infrastructure. China is particularly pushing AI in surveillance, e commerce, and autonomous vehicles. While the percentage is smaller compared to Americans, growth in APG is rapid. So, while the Americans currently dominate AI spending, the growth shares in EMEA and Asia Pacific shows that innovation is spreading worldwide. The clear takeaway is that AI is no longer confined to one region. It's becoming a truly global force, shaping the future everywhere. So that's the ABC of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence itself, the building blocks behind it, and challenges and considerations we need to keep in mind. AI is already part of our daily life, and its future is full of possibilities, from saving lives to healthcare to reshaping how we work and travel. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this gave you a clear and a simple way to understand AI. And remember, the journey of AI is just beginning.